Hey YouTube, what is going on? Brandon here with another print quality test video. Today we're going to be testing out the HP Envy 7955E. Now the first thing we're going to be doing is we're going to print off a document front to back, double-sided, and then we're going to be printing off some photos. But if this video ends up being helpful, I ask that you like the video. Any questions at all, comment below. And if you want more content like this, please make sure to subscribe. Alright, so this is the HP photo paper we're going to be using. It's 8.5 by 11. So is this plain paper that we're printing on. Before we go any further, I did want to quickly mention today's sponsor, which is my very own product, the Best Printers Cleaning Kit. Basically, if you're looking to get a new printer because your current printer is not printing, in other words, if your current printer is not printing a certain color, printing blank pages, or you have an overall and general print quality issue, this product here is going to help you solve that problem. So consider going this route. Essentially what this is a cleaning kit. It's a manual cleaning kit for the print head on your printer, where if it's not printing, this product will be able to unclog the print head and you will be able to get back to printing normally again. There are a ton of videos on this channel with tons of different printer models, hundreds of printer models, where you can go to my channel page, go to the search bar, search up your specific printer model, and you will find an instructional video of how to use this cleaning kit on that specific printer model. There's going to be a link in the description below for this product. Go down there, click the link, get yours today, and then come back and watch the rest of this video. So this is the first picture we're going to be printing. Lots of colors, lots of orange, blue in there. And so we're going to see how this ends up printing out. I'm printing directly from my HP Smart app on my smartphone. Most likely that will be how you are printing, but you can also print directly from your computer. Now also keep in mind, when it comes to any of these prints, you want to keep in mind the presets, that is the settings on your computer or on your phone, basically telling the printer that you want better quality, you're using photo paper, the right size, and then the best quality. Alright, so one of the biggest flaws you will see when printing photos are lines or streaks that come onto your picture. And you can see a little bit of that here just because I wasn't able to adjust the presets exactly how I wanted to through the app. So you do see some lines there to the left hand side, but we're going to adjust the settings now. We're going to go on to the HP Plus app and we're going to put best print quality. The paper, it only allows plain paper at the moment. But if you dig a little bit more into the settings, and especially if you're using a computer, you'll definitely be able to find an option to be able to print HP photo paper, because on the spec sheet you are able to print plain paper, HP photo paper, HP matte brochure and professional paper, and other various types of paper. Alright, so our next photo is going to be very similar to our first photo, and that there's an umbrella, it's on the beach, but you have a little bit more of darker tones here. It's in the evening time, so you've got some different colors going here, and the quality on this photo actually came out excellent, much better than the previous one. However, we still are not 100% to the quality that we could have, because there are still a little bit of lines that you can even see here on the video of the discrepancy with the printer. So we're not at the best quality. We can still work towards that through the settings. Currently with these settings, we are at the best possible quality, which is decent. And so now we're going back onto the HP Smart app and we are selecting another photo to print. This is our last photo, and of course still using HP photo paper. You can use any branded photo paper. It doesn't have to be HP, but today we're using HP photo paper. This is the picture we're printing. A lot of colors, a lot of vibrancy, some more greens in this picture, so you'll be able to see that along with the sky that's blue. You got some orange shining in there, and so we'll see how this ends up printing out. This is a good time to mention, if you were looking to buy some new HP photo paper, this printer itself, or any ink, I'm going to be leaving links to all those products down in the description below. So you can go down there, check those out for your convenience, and come back and watch the rest of this video. Now, I'm not surprised with the quality because on the spec sheet for this printer, we see that the printing resolution at its best is up to 4800 by 1200. That is an excellent print quality, and we're able to see that through these 3 photos that we've printed. Now, this one unfortunately was not my favorite. It didn't print the best possible quality that I would have liked. There's a lot of lines, there's a little bit of fading there, and the picture did not come out as crisp as I would have liked. Now, also keep in mind when you're printing these types of pictures, sometimes it's the file itself that you're printing from that could cause the low quality, and in this case, that may have been what it was. Alright, so hopefully this video gave you a good idea of what type of print quality you can expect when printing photos, when printing a document with the HP Envy 7955E. Hopefully I gave you a good visualization and you're able to make some decisions based off of this video. Remember all the links that are in the description below, and that's really all I have for today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time.